Hello everyone, and today we are exploring the heated comfort of the XCQQ electric bidet toilet seat. This smart seat features a heated surface that keeps you cozy even on cold winter mornings. You can easily adjust the water temperature and pressure for a perfectly personalized cleaning experience. The self-cleaning stainless steel nozzle offers multiple spray modes and a convenient oscillating feature. After washing, the integrated warm air dryer provides a gentle and easy way to stay dry. An LED night light and soft closing lid keep your nighttime bathroom trips quiet and peaceful. The intuitive side panel and clear display make controlling every feature simple for every family member. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.